Hello, welcome to my channel. Now I'm gonna fix this thing, like this, yeah, to cover it. So we'll see how we're gonna do. So it was very long time I never decorated, and we'll see if I can do it. So you guys be there with me, yeah. So first I need to fix my hair, yeah. And of course, I need to prepare all my things. I'm not really good in computer, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So get a tape. Of course, this one too. And then this one. So I'm thinking like just temporary. So I'm gonna have it this one. So we'll see if I can cover it like this. Normally it's like I want to borrow one cartons maybe. So you guys be there, check it out. Now I have this one, of course. This is a very good one. You need to make sure that that one is really clear, yeah. And of course, to have it really and of course, because I'm not so big woman, so then I'm gonna show you like this. Cover. I don't know, guys, if you see me, but don't do what I do. This is not really the right thing, but I need to do it anyway.